If you are trying to restore your Duolingo streak, this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your Duolingo app. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Duolingo account, and on your top nav bar, you can see that this fire streak is 0. So if you would like to recover it, you can tap onto it. It says that you are out of streak freezes and you have to get more if you would like to continue using the streak. You can go ahead, tap on get more. And now it'll automatically show you that if you refill it with this 500 coins, you will be able to use your streaks, and then you may go ahead, tap on refill. That way you can simply restore your streak freezes and your streaks won't be lost. And for some reasons, if your streak freezes are not available and you cannot restore your streaks, on that cases, there is nothing that you can do. But if you are a regular user and if you miss a day, Duolingo will automatically show you if you would like to restore your streaks, and it will give you an option to freeze your streaks. Just like so, this is how you can do it.